welcome to our first episode of Cooking Sisterhood. I'm Rebecca.
And I'm her older sister Victoria. And today we're going to be making Asian style stir fry with vegetables and noodles. The ingredients are garlic, onion, broccoli, zucchini, baby carrots, green beans, and purple peppers.
Isn't that your favorite color?
Yeah, they're so nice. Organic soba noodles, teriyaki sauce, soy sauce, toasted sesame oil, and rice vinegar.
We just got these from the nearby farm and washed all the vegetables. Everything really tastes so much fresher when it's from the farm. So now we're going to be cutting and slicing all of the vegetables, starting with the carrots and the zucchini, just slicing them like pretty thinly. But it doesn't have to be too thin, just enough so it tastes good, but it's not too thick to chew through. Not crunchy, but nice and soft.
So now we're cooking everything, and don't forget to boil some water for the soba noodles.
Ooh, this smells so good.
So in the pan, we already started cooking the sesame oil and some garlic, and we like extra garlic. So now we put the broccoli in because it's a little harder.
You put the hard ingredients in first because they take longer to cook, and then you put the ingredients that take less time to cook in last,
so that they don't get too soft.
Start mixing. Okay, and now we'll add the green beans into the pot with the broccoli. Red, stir that up for me. Yeah, you have to keep stirring it, or else they don't mix in.
Try to mix it with the garlic and sesame oil.
It's also good to have a lot of garlic sometimes so it can mix with all the vegetables.
Next, we're going to put in the carrots
And mix those in. Kind of want them to get into all that green. So now we're going to put the soba in the water for 4 minutes. And don't forget it has a plastic wrapper that you have to take off, or else you're going to be eating plastic.
Okay, so now all the vegetables are in and cooking for about 5 to 10 minutes. So we're going to start to add the sauces. First, just a little bit of rice vinegar, some soy sauce, and some teriyaki sauce. And just mix that all up. Okay, so now we add a little bit of salt, just for taste, but not too much because the soy sauce is already salty. So we've already drained the noodles and added them to the vegetables. So Rebecca, make sure you mix them thoroughly so that the taste of the vegetables and the teriyaki sauce spreads to the noodles.
Yep.
Looking delicious.
Smells so good.
Girls, what do we have here today?
So it's a Asian style stir fry with soba noodles and vegetables.
Delicious. Should I try?
Yep.
Let's see
And it has teriyaki.
if it's mommy's approved. Oh my God, it's delicious. Delicious, girls. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Bye, guys. Hope to see you in our next video.